They're pulling. Not in. Nice. Good try. Okay. You want to take over?
Sure. I'll direct.
Yeah.
I'll supervise.
Let's go. Let's direct this camera. I'm still in the camera.
Come on, my God.
I'm locked in.
Kick his ass.
I'm sorry.
It's on
Mark. Let's come out your seven.
Who's on Mark? Whoa, that's.
I gotta lock in.
Force!
Sorry.
Force!
I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
Something. Force anything.
Just don't let him go deep. Don't let him go big. Go big. Strike. Oh, nice. No big.
Eyes are
Not
like
looking.
yellow.
Stay on him. No. Box him out.
No, he was on it. He was jumping early.
Next line. Just two of them.
And then for the assignment due on Wednesday, no one, except a couple people, finished. It was just section cuts. Yeah. I get you. It's like that in architecture a lot. We have a couple people who just show up consistently and don't have things printed out. I hate everything we have to print.
Clear, Oliver, clear.
It's like $5. It's expensive as hell, and it's like the teacher sees it for maybe 20 minutes, and then that's it. And it's like, okay, I just have this now.
Run through that.
No, we found a hack. We have one person printed out, and it's on the printer. It freeze prints, and it's free.
No big.
And something else.
He's not looking.
Up!
Come on.
Good D. Let's go. Yeah, one time. Last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday, okay. Sounds good.
I love that that dude wears like two hands to practice with the chain. It's so, he looks so Slavic every practice. Like not in a bad way, just in a like in a genuine.
Etienne, you've seen him once before.
I know, but both times he's come to practice with
Every single time.
he's come with Adidas track pants, a white V-neck, and a chain.
And he's cooking you.
Hell yeah.
And he's cooking.
Oh my God, Oliver.
What are the three
Pretty.
They're better at sports than us.
Belle, the cat, how's the cat doing?
Good.
She lets.
She's way more comfortable with people,
Oh, that's
but not like strangers.
Yeah.
She'd probably still do it.
Mm-hmm.
But, she lets Lars look at her.
Exactly. Scout's been like actually like sitting up.
So that's just new.
What?
Nice job, Jasper!
We literally talked about this like last practice or something.
Well, yeah, but
No, your other foot.
Not like your other foot.
Like slide in front.
I know.
There you go.
Yeah, Jasper, come on. Yeah. Okay, you gotta hit that cut harder because he was open. Nice.
Come on, Jasper!
Might be out of bounds. Is that in?
Nice.
I guess he's in. That's good. That's great.
I got it.
Oh, great pick by Colin. We see Ralph going deep. Go, Ralph.
Let's go, Ralph.
Go, Ralph.
Come back.
Oh, he's there.
Get there. Yeah.
You sprayed all over us and then you were like this.
oh no, I was just because there's multiple there.
Okay. I thought you had a spray can.
No, I don't hold spray cans next to my car. I'm ashamed.
I'm done with that. I'm not
And that'd be something we could all do. We could all wiggle our hips at the same time.
Yeah.
There'll always be.
Gotta do
like peeing your pants.
And honestly, it really depends.
Oh.
Stay warm. Still love the game. I wear a diaper every day. That's funny.
Who's Mark? Who's Mark?
Wait. Okay, Ralph is on. Ralph, stand your man.
He called strike when she was 5 yards ahead of me.
Then that's kind of the defender on the mark thing. Or sorry, on the disc.
Stay with him, Jack.
You're Ben, you're Ben.
Yes, Ben.
You got Lars. Good clear. Oh. It's good. Good.
Nice try, so close.
Good cuts. No big. Ben, no big.
Oh, good try.
Not in.
On mark, over.
Still not in?
Oh, boy.
Good mark, Ben. No, I saw that.
I love all of these. That, like, I hope you get better. Dude, negative energy.
Okay, we're in.
Spirit of the game. Okay. Yes, Oliver.
Oliver, I swear, if you drop one of those
And
Yes, Ben.
Nice, Daniel.
Yeah.
Nice under Sam. Turn. All good, all good. Guys, talk to me on the field.
No big. Not looking.
Turn. Let's set up.
Set up, take a breath, you're all good.
Know who's cutting first. Give it a second. No, Sam. What? Okay. No, that's not your cut. No, that's okay. I wasn't.
You say words, you got that.
He was already in the cut, so it's fair. Hey, and he scored. Man's knows what he's doing enough. So. Here we go. Let's look at the field, guys. Talk to your teammates. Jasper,
Guard, no.
talk to your teammates. Guys. Jesus fuck.
Sam, high.
Oliver.
We're not coming.
Oliver, that's you. All inside.
Micah, step left.
Everything inside.
Oliver,
No
hold.
deep.
Up.
Shit. That was a crazy ass jump.
I don't know why I thought it was.
You can put it on 1x.
It also the edges sometimes get.
But I'm not gonna.
That's okay.
He actually
You got this, Daniel. Get it back. All right, Daniel, recover.
Call an injury. Take an injury. Injury.
Michael, stay on top of him. Yes, Trevor.
there's just like French fry. Idaho is known for potatoes. We gotta do like apple.
So you can get a Mac back on Matthew.
Yeah. That's a bit flex. Yeah, that was just the throw was so perfect. Like it was.
You did a good job.
Yeah, exactly. The only good scenario is staying out.
Yeah.
Because I was trying to undercut it and then I just cut it. Negative spiral.
Exactly. That's why I like deep.
There's Micah. Oh, he's such an ass. There. Yes, Lars. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There it is. Dude, Micah and Trevor have a special bond. I don't know why, but they've got synergy.
No, we're right outside.
So we said
I'm gonna
penis
be out.
instead.
Oh, okay. It's much more respectable.
Sorry, do you want me to be scientific?
They're just gonna like mute this entire section of the video.
Hey, it's gonna be me.
Fair enough. Turn. Sorry. Turn.
Hard in, Jack. Jack.
Nice, Ian. Good mark, Ian.
Fast. You're open.
Nice, Micah. Stay
Good,
on her.
Micah.
No deep.
No big.
Oh, no deep, no deep.
Big arms, Ralph. Ralph, big. Okay.
Flat.
Oh, Jesus.
He doesn't get that.
Yeah!
Julia, stay deep. Other deep.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
See under. See under.
No, I respect it. Oh!
Catch your DJ.
It's okay, Micah.
Good effort, Micah.
Nice. What's the force?
Hey, look up, look up.
This is a
Yeah,
nice.
Colin.
Okay.
Yeah, good work,
No
Colin.
big, Matthew, no big.
Chili.
Oh, Auburn got that. He got that all day.
Beautiful! Beautiful! Oh my gosh.
Too good.
I don't know what it means. Like, it would have been. I would have.
Did you get some joint water?
Passed it, but I think I would have been.
And the camera. This is awesome. Okay, Jasper, big arms. Let's see Lars. Watch him, Gio. No big. Inside. Inside. Up. All inside, Jasper. Outside. Good mark, Jasper. Right. Yes. That's it. Someone under. Hit him. Hit him. Nice. Chili. Hit Lars. There you go. Center it. Nice. Where's the under? Someone come under. You don't all need to be in the end zone. There you go. Well, yeah, they're just all trying to cut in the end zone because, you know, once you get that close, it's like you want it in, and it's like, I get it, but.
We should have been in end zone on that first.
That's true. Nice, Lars. Yeah, I think that's what they're doing. It's a little just tricky. Nice! Pretty throw, Lars. That's the end. He apparently.
I don't have negative $4 right now.
Negative dollars. That's so real. Can't have negative dollars in a savings account.
Don't worry, I got you. I have zero.
Fist him. Yeah.
You can have negative savings.
It's called being in debt. I have negative in my student loans account.
So that's good. If you have negative in student loans, that means
The other day.
I have student
This is like actually mid-zone. I don't know how he catches anything in that. Oh, that was a catch. That's a catch! Hey, D, first D, you're on, bro.
Walking Tate. Like some bullshit like that.
Tate's mine. Oh yeah, you met Tate.
Your dog is so nice.
I love Tate. So happy and joyous.
What's up?
I swear. Do it.
Oh, you got that, you got that.
Holy shit!
Woo! I should go in. You should go in.
If there's
When you call for them
Good
to
D, Micah!
mark the stand
straight
front,
up, yeah,
It's
no
no
deep.
deep?
Yeah,
Okay.
because that you're indicating that there is a deep
Or it's
option.
no big?
Both. Yeah. Because you're saying
Yeah!
there's a deep. Don't let them get
Right.
the deep or big throw off.
Michael got a good D.
Cycle out.
What the hell? It looks like they're fucking playing zone. Nice, Oliver. Oh, come on, Micah! Yeah! Chili, reset! Reset! Beautiful. Okay.
Guys, there's water on the camera. What do I do? I don't have a microfiber cloth.
Okay. Jasper!
Yeah, Ian!
they're literally crazy.
Come on, guys. At least it's still in. It's still in. That might have been his first pull ever.
Honestly, I think he would have done better than me.
Turn!
That's how I'm gonna explain my one bit.
What the hell's that?
This is the one
Is there
I
just
use,
switching?
but I think gloves might be good.
Ralph, you should, like,
Yeah, hit. Nice. Someone caught under. Yeah. Nice, good positioning. He was handling it. They just psychologized.
They always block the camera.
Hey, Connor, watch that.
You're fine. Micah was annoying. It's fine.
No? But it's okay, it's good. It's just this, if anything, it's lighter than it normally is. And I'm just used to having river hair, so. Why is he cutting it?
And then it like got this big. Yeah. Because it like that's a different kind of. I don't know if that was. If you do.
Turn! Hey, stop! Ball! Stop! Stop running.
Stop moving, Mike.
Oh, Jesus! Okay, that guy's.
Yeah. Can I not? Yeah. Look, he's swinging that gate out. Oh, that's what Ben's doing. I need to.
You got left.
Nice.
Chili.
End zone!
End zone. Michael, second to the back of the stack.
Come on. There's a poach. You got a heavy poach.
That's an upline. Up stack, good.
Nice. Left. Nice. Yeah. I think it's just Ben's. Ben's also into photography. Nice!
Staying out and everything, and like, it's really nice. Save my shins during track.
Real. All inside.
Strike. Inside.
Turn!
Turn.
Chili. End zone! Stack! Get in the stack!
No one knows how to sit the sack.
Jesus, Carter, what are you... It's okay, just for scores.
No one knows how to sit the sack.
No one does, and it's rough because it's like when we call it off the sideline, we're not setting the stack. Up!
You Oliver, come on.
I wonder, should I like zoom in on that? Is that
I've been doing like cinematic zooming, but it's also like, is it gonna be hella annoying to watch back and it's like going in and out all the time?
I feel like there's moments where you could do it.
Yeah. It's just like, yeah, you want to see the entire field, but also like, what's the...
Like,
Maybe he's looking for something. Nice bad. I mean, he's wide open. He doesn't even have to cut or power. It's been good. Kind of. Nice catch. A mix of feeling really busy and not busy at all. You know what I mean? It's just like I can't. Every time I do work, I feel like I'm not doing this. I could do this later, and then I don't have any time to work.
That's bad.
He was just standing there. He was just standing.
No, it's on bad.
The pumpkins and they look really dumb. It's funny. Pumpkin. And I do it in fucking work at 6:30 a.m. and it's so much fun. We're just in the kitchen and it's echoing. It's lovely. Oh, almost Micah.
Up.
Digging pocket, Lewis.
Up. No bang. No bang. Turn. Nice try.
You got that
Shit. Nice, good point.
Oh.
Cut under and then out. Do a fake at least. Like, juke him.
He can't go. Yes, it was so dumb. Like play offense, don't play defense.
Guys.
That's okay. I like
No, you got it.
Corner, up.
Ah!
Okay. Do you know what lock-in is in Chinese?
I'm not a rapper.
Excuse me.
He's covered.
Oh. You're in front of the camera. You're good. I don't know.
He's head. Go. Prepare to receive.
recording.
Next one. Next one. Oh, embarrassing.
Go say hi. Yo, say what's up, Sam.
We love the Vandals.
His name's Sam.
What was he calling
The
you?
guy with the hat.
Yeah,
his name's
Sam. Yeah.
Why is he calling him Seb?
Oh, Seb was the other guy who showed up once. He went to